Welcome to another episode of Contemplating Consequences. Today, we'll be diving into a complex and thought-provoking topic, the ethics of the death penalty. This episode is dedicated to all the curious and engaged young minds out there who want to explore the world of ethics and justice. To understand the ethical dimensions of the death penalty, we must first define the key terms. Taking a global perspective, the death penalty is a divisive issue. While 112 countries have abolished it, 87 still impose it. Notably, the majority of the world's population resides in countries where it's legal, such as China, India, and the United States. Some proponents argue that it serves as a potent deterrent, dissuading potential offenders from committing heinous crimes due to the severity of the punishment. Deterrence can be specific, where individuals fear the ultimate punishment, and general, affecting public perceptions of safety and law and order. Another argument in favour of the death penalty is retribution. Proponents believe that when someone takes a life, a fundamental moral imbalance occurs. Executing the murderer restores this balance and sends a message that society will not tolerate such acts, emphasising the gravity of the offence. It can also provide closure to the families of victims, offering emotional relief and a sense of justice. One of the most significant concerns is racial bias. In the United States, historical data show a disproportionate number of black men executed for crimes involving white victims, raising questions about the fairness and impartiality of the system. This bias can erode public trust in the criminal justice system and challenge the principle of equal protection under the law. Another critical issue is the irreversibility of the death penalty. Human errors, misconduct, and misinterpretation of evidence are always possible in the justice system, and there's no room for correction once a person has been executed. This presents moral and ethical dilemmas in societies that value human rights and the rectification of errors. The last argument against the death penalty emphasises the danger of giving the state the power to take life. History has shown that such power can be misused, as seen in Nazi Germany, where judges with strong ideological alignment with the regime imposed the death penalty impartially. This underscores the risk of discrimination and prejudice when the state has the authority to execute. In conclusion, the ethics of the death penalty are complex and multifaceted. The arguments in favour focus on deterrence, retribution, and closure, while opponents raise concerns about racial bias, irreversibility, and the potential misuse of state power. It's a topic that sparks passionate debates and challenges us to contemplate the consequences of our actions and decisions. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Contemplating Consequences. We hope this discussion has given you valuable insights into the ethics of the death penalty. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and always seek to understand the world around you. Until next time,